sunrise contributes value to road environmental protection. With the development of the times, the breeding industry is also expanding rapidly. At the same time, with large-scale and scientific breeding, livestock and poultry mortality is unavoidable. And this is huge loss of wealth. But Jiangsu Sunrise has provided a perfect solution for this. Using the equipment manufactured by the Sunrise will eliminate your livestock and poultry loss. The second dead livestock and poultry will be transformed into organic fertilizer, raw slurry, oil, meat powder, and other economic products through Sunrise equipment. With these devices, you eliminate losses and create more wealth. In addition to provide you with harmless animal equipment, it can also provide you with feather mill equipment, meat and bone mill equipment, and fish mill equipment. Our technicians are responsible for every part of each equipment.